Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos and I am here to show you the Gorjuss Girl dies. Now I did do one video which I think was making this Gorjuss Girl, and I wanted to show you all the others that I have done. There are 6 that I have and they are just super. Now you get all of the dies, and this is this one, and these are from Santora. They are pretty easy to make actually. They do take a little bit of figuring out, but apart from that, they are super cute. Look at this one here. I mean, how adorable are these? You can make them into tags. I'm going to show you a couple of ways that I have used these little Gorjuss Girls, like the one with the balloon as well. And then we have this one here. And this one. I have this one with a little book. Now she has, on the thing, she has holding a little shell as well. But I decided to do her just with the little book. And then this one, if you'd have seen my video earlier today, she is on her travels. Now, just a little update. I did a video earlier on a new project that I'm doing, and it is about an around the world junk journal where this little Gorjuss Girl will be traveling around the world. Now, we have had a wonderful response, and the first person to get back to me, this little Gorjuss Girl is on her way to Wales, and she will be going out tomorrow, so she's super excited. If you don't know what I'm on about, please take a look at my earlier video from today, and if you'd like to take part, then all you have to do is just send me an email with your name and address, and you can take part in this around the world junk journal. It's pretty easy, and it's a lot of fun, so please have a look. So this particular little girl is on her way, so thank you so much to everyone who's already contacted me. So firstly, I know she's going to Cardiff, and then she'll be going to Aylesbury, and then from there on, I'll keep you updated once she returns with her scraps that she's picked up on the way. So that's that one. Now let me show you a couple of ways that I have used, you know, to use these little girls. Now one is my Gorjuss scrap journal. So we have her in here, and I think we've got the balloon one as well. And I'm going to be adding a couple more of those next time I add some more to this journal, which will be in a couple of days. I've been itching to add more to it, but as I want to film it all, I'm having to be quite restrained. But that's one way, is in a journal. Now, of course, you can put them on cards, but look at this. I just want to show you this tissue box holder. Now, look at that. Now, isn't that cute? Look, and it has 4 of the Gorjuss Girls on it. Oh, it's a cat hair. But look how cute. And this just comes off. You get a new box of tissues. And look at that. I will show a video on making this. Hopefully in the next couple of days. But look. How adorable is this tissue box? It's just too cute, right? It's just cute, 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 cute. So that's another way. But there are lots of ways to use these Gorjuss Girl dies, and this is just a couple of ways. And I just wanted to share with you what they look like once they're made. And they are really, you know, like I said, pretty easy to make. A couple of them did take a little bit of figuring out, but that's probably just me being a little bit thick. But I have my moments. So there are the little Gorjuss Girls. This one I have to keep out because she's, like I said, going on her travels. But I hope you've enjoyed this video and just showing you some of the things that we can make with them. So take care for now, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.